This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Unplug the Xbox power and wait 10 seconds so residual charge clears. This prevents short reboots. Once done, hold the power button for 10 seconds until fans stop. That forces a full shutdown. Disconnect HDMI and any external drives to avoid peripheral conflicts, and make sure you have a USB stick with 2+ GB formatted NTFS for later recovery. These steps remove transient faults and get the console into a state where firmware tools can run safely. No extra setup, just action. Now you go into the troubleshoot sequence. Hold the bind and eject buttons, then press power. Keep holding bind plus eject until the troubleshoot screen appears. This forces the boot diagnostic so you can choose recovery. If the screen appears, choose Offline System Update when you have the prepared USB. This reinstalls OS files without internet fixing corrupted firmware that causes green screen hangs. If the update fails, choose Reset but keep games and apps first if offered. This preserves storage while eliminating problematic software. Finish by reconnecting power and HDMI, then boot normally. The console should pass the green screen once corrupted firmware is replaced or problematic settings are reset. Make sure to test a different HDMI cable, TV input, or a known good power brick, because faulty cables or supplies mimic firmware failures. If the console remains stuck after repeated offline updates and resets, stop. Do not open the sealed unit. Instead, contact Authorized Repair or Microsoft support. This avoids warranty voiding and addresses hardware faults safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.